Hello, how are you? My name is Maurice Rafael, and my last name is Acuña Terán. Due to so many problems with the environment, I want to talk to all of you a little about these problems. Technology has caused too many problems the environment since we are seeing that many machines are causing too much pollution. A palpable case is vehicles, locomotives, ships, industries, etc. For the case, man has polluted the environment, and this has brought negative consequences for animals, plants, and the ecosystem itself, which is causing direct UV rays to fall onto planet Earth. Today, due to so much pollution in the environment, we can deduce that there are many shortages of fruit, animals, and people are suffering from catastrophic disease. Thank you very much.